Hi there! My name is Adele and I am an English teacher with a TFL certificate, which means I am trained and qualified to teach English to kids, young professionals, and even adults in a fun and effective way. I truly enjoy helping students learn, grow, and gain confidence in using English language. My teaching style is patient, engaging, and tailored to its student level and goals. During my free time, I love reading books, traveling to new places, singing, and dancing. They help me stay creative and energetic. I also enjoy editing videos, which sometimes I use to make my lesson more interactive, exciting, and informative. I'm really looking forward in meeting you in class and helping you achieve your learning goals. See you soon.